Have you ever wondered why water, a simple combination of hydrogen and oxygen, has properties so distinct from its constituent elements? Or why carbon dioxide, a compound of carbon and oxygen, is a gas we exhale, while diamond, pure carbon, is one of the hardest substances known to man? Welcome to the fascinating world of chemistry, where compounds and molecules rule the roost. Let's dive into the deep end. Molecules first. A molecule is the smallest particle in a chemical element or compound that has the chemical properties of that element or compound. Molecules are made up of atoms that are stuck together in a specific shape or formation. For example, an oxygen molecule is made up of two oxygen atoms bonded together, making it a diatomic molecule. Now, on to compounds. A compound is a substance formed when two or more chemical elements are chemically bonded together. The type of bond keeping the atoms in a compound together could be covalent, ionic, or metallic. Take water, for instance. It's a compound formed by the chemical bonding of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. But wait, didn't we just say a molecule is also a combination of two or more atoms? Yes, indeed. And this is where the confusion often lies. So, how do we differentiate between a compound and a molecule? Here's the key difference. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. A molecule can be made up of the same type of atoms, like an oxygen molecule made of two oxygen atoms. However, a compound must be made up of two or more different types of atoms. So, while every compound is a molecule due to the bonding of atoms, not every molecule is a compound because it could be made of the same type of atoms. Think of compounds as a subset of molecules. This is the same way that every square is a rectangle because it has four sides, but not every rectangle is a square because it doesn't have all sides equal. To summarize, a molecule is a group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together. They can be identical or different. A compound, on the other hand, is a type of molecule that is made up of two or more different types of atoms. In the grand scheme of chemistry, understanding the differences between compounds and molecules is fundamental. It helps us grasp why certain substances behave the way they do, how new substances are formed, and the intricate dance of atoms and bonds that make up the world around us. Remember, the next time you're sipping on a glass of water or admiring a diamond ring, you're not just interacting with compounds or molecules. You're engaging with a fascinating world that's much more than the sum of its parts.